How to preview your tax return online on H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you review your tax return online on H&R Block. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go and log into your H&R Block online account using the credentials you use for this tax year. Look for an option that allows you to access your current year's tax return. This could be labeled as Continue Return, Return Summary, or something similar. There is typically a summary or overview section that provides an overview of the information you have entered. This section may include key details such as your income, deductions, and credits, and then navigate through the sections. Explore the software interface to navigate through different sections of your tax return. Software like H&R Block Online usually organizes your return into various categories. Example, income, deductions, credits. You can preview and review each section individually. After that, as you navigate through your return, pay attention to any error messages or prompts that the software may provide. Addressing the errors early can help ensure the accuracy of your return. Many tax software platforms offer the option to preview your entire tax return before filing. Look for the options like Preview Return or Print Preview, and this will allow you to review the complete return and check for any discrepancies. Finally, if you want a physical copy or a saved version of your return, look for the options to print or save it as a PDF. This can serve as a backup and is often recommended for your records. If you have trouble finding specific features or options, consult H&R Block online help resources and contact their customer support for assistance. They should be able to guide you through the process based on the current features of their platform. This is how you can preview your tax return online on H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.